Turnkey 55 plus home for sale. Do not stay for just the season when you can own your own piece of Florida. Busy 55 plus community, fully furnished 2-screened lanai roof over workshop, great Florida location. Be a snowbird or enjoy Florida year-round. Wait until you see this affordable home. Kitchen with counter space for bar stool seating and a sunny eating area. Bright living room. Enjoy your company or morning coffee out of the screened lanai. 2 bedrooms and 2 baths. Primary bedroom with private bath. There is even an enclosed workshop located off the elongated carport. And this home has a roof over, a protective barrier that is 100% maintenance-free. Durable, helps reduce energy costs, never has to be resealed, ever. Bring your golf cart to explore all the community perks. Terra Siesta Community has 2 clubhouses, 2 pools, storage lot for your boat, and 30 plus different activities such as horseshoe, shuffleboard, pickleball. Plus tons of events to keep your calendars full, including music in the park on Wednesdays, bowling, water exercise classes and more. Ellenton location just off US 301 for easy commutes, minutes to prime outlets, restaurants, shopping and I-75. Start packing and come explore Florida living.